Okay, let's add some feed records. So if we go to feed and the hens arrived on the 2nd of June. Well, I'm going to stop there and I'm going to save it, and I'm going to show another way to input some of this data via importing data via a spreadsheet. So if we go to upload recordings. Okay, so now let's import some feed records. So select data type feed. Now you need to select the Excel spreadsheet that contains the data. So I've got one prepared here. Okay, so this is just a simple spreadsheet with 4 columns of data with the heading date, time, feed underscore tons and comments. Very simple. So if you've got an existing system, it should be easy to translate that information onto a spreadsheet and import it. Select this box, it should select them all. Now some of these we've already added. Now it should be clever enough if I try and import. Okay, it's saying that we've got problems with 4 recordings, and it suggests that a feed recording with a particular date already exists, and so it's not put that in, which is great in our instance because we don't want to duplicate the actual data. If we actually view the records, because we've got this filter on, as I've demonstrated earlier, we're only looking at recordings for a particular production period and for a particular house, so Ranger House 1. So they've gone in there correctly. If we go to the production details now, we should see, yep, we've got our egg records. We've got a performance chart that's comparing what we've added to the actual standard. As you can see, our egg reduction is at least a week before the standard. I specifically chose that because I wanted to demonstrate how it will vary and what happens if that is the case. And we've got our production chart, egg production chart here, which is color coded according to the type of egg it is, whether or not it's a pack house egg, one destined for the pack house, seconds, waste and totals. If you look at the feed, that's giving you an indication of the amount of feed on individual days, and then we've got our performance chart here against the actual standard. So we'll now go and add some mortality and water records.